Beyonce's Love Drought video was in memory of Igbo Landing story, an act of mass resistance against slavery. A group of Igbo slaves revolted, took control of their ship. Rather than submit to slavery, they drowned themselves. In the early 19th century, a tragic event known as the Igbo Landing took place in the United States, specifically on St. Simon's Island, Georgia. The Igbo people, who were enslaved and brought to America, resisted their captivity in a remarkable and haunting way. As the story goes, a group of Igbo captives, refusing to live in bondage, staged a rebellion. They overtook their captors and seized control of the ship that had brought them to the New World. In a bold and defiant act of resistance, they marched off the ship and into the waters of Dunbar Creek, choosing to drown themselves rather than live as slaves. The Igbo Landing is a poignant and powerful reminder of the resilience and strength of the human spirit in the face of unimaginable hardship. It is a testament to the courage and dignity of those who fought against the dehumanizing institution of slavery, choosing freedom even in death. Today, the Igbo Landing is remembered as a symbol of resistance and liberation. It stands as a memorial to all those who have suffered and died in the struggle for freedom, and as a reminder of the enduring legacy of those who refused to be enslaved. When they were drowning, they were singing in Igbo a song that says, "The water spirit brought us. The water spirit will take us home." I am Igbo. We are resilient. Nigerian government and British government committed genocide against my people in 1967. More than 3.5 million died. Today they are still marginalizing us in Nigeria, and we are still struggling to be free. The same spirit of our forefathers and mothers of Igbo Landing still lives in us. But in our own case, we will not just be free, but we must, in capital letters, restore Biafra and show Africa and the world how to better run a civilized nation. Stay tuned.